anything though. Oh, I didn't see if anyone was live. Hi. It's just us. Oh, fuck, not anymore. Get out of here. I didn't see if anyone I knew was live. I don't think so. That's good. Just followed me. Hey. Hey, yo, Rizz Burps. That's how I played in my mind. I have been sneezing today. I really have been sneezing today. I don't know why. Actually, I think I might know why. Because I had a doctor's appointment yesterday and he was spraying some crazy crap up my nose. Thank you, Salvatore. Long time no see. Manuel's in the house. Hey, Alec. What's up? I'm good. How are you? I always love Manuel because he was in that video. My documentary video. I burped his name. I followed you on Instagram. Hell yeah. Everyone else can follow me on Instagram. That's fine. Oh, I had a deviated septum and a bone spur. So I was like knocked out. And they had to literally like fix my nose. Where have I been? Doing whatever I want to do. It seemed like it happened like, yeah, last week. Last Wednesday. I'm fine. I did have a headache this morning though, but I'm okay. It's not like it wasn't a big surgery or anything. But I'm just thinking maybe that's why I've been sneezing, because yeah, I was well, they were, I guess. Hello. Do I have Snapchat? Yeah, but it's not for anybody in here. It's like a private Snapchat. Although people have found my Snapchat and I just ignore them. Don't have to talk to them. Hey there, Arthur. Your birthday's coming up. Yay. You don't have Snap? That's fine. Yeah, I've been sneezing today. Yeah, I've been sneezing today. I don't know. I didn't really keep track. How many sneezes do I do? I usually do like 3. At least 3 in a row. Maybe more. Thank you! I play softball for TikTok. I'm on the TikTok softball league. Kim, stop. The fuck? Do you like subs? Yeah, I do. Subs are cool. Who's my favorite baseball team? Do I know baseball? I don't know baseball. What's the one? Okay, it's fine. I'm at a fair with the fam. Amazing, Tyler. Have a good time. Your name is Tyler also? We got a lot of Tylers in the house. Yeah, I'll be burping. I've just been chilling. Are you gonna ride all of the rides, Tyler, or do you play like games and eat food instead? I know, right? Callie needs to chill. Some people are saying some bad things in here because I get some notifications on here. Oh my god, the queen. Hi. Burping on command. I appreciate you ignoring me. Okay, bro. Oh, this is awesome. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. He's a liar. I know exactly who this guy is. Hi, Beans. I missed you. Fucking loser. Maybe. If no one else breaks it, then yeah. I'll try to break my own record again one day. Well, he said that I think I'm better than everyone else, and that's kind of true, so I guess he was right. May I have permission? Ew, to do what? Don't answer that question. Unofficially, how many decibels did you max? 109.7. And someone wrote an article about it too. So not that specifically, but like related to like the burping and stuff. And they put that in the article unofficially. At home, I did 109. So I was like, what? Someone's got a fucking crush on me? What? I'm just kidding. I rate my burps. Does anyone else rate them, or are you just like solo dolo rating them yourself? Yeah, but it wasn't with like a certified decibel meter, 8 feet away, 2.5 meters, whatever the fuck it is, 3.5, 2.5. So it was just me goofing around at home with the shit that I got off of Amazon. So who knows if it was actually 109.7. But yeah. No, I rate other people's and they write mine. Oh. That sounds like fun. How many did you do with mouth near the meter? Yeah, I like shoved it down my throat and I just burped as loud as like, Frankie. Hi, Frankie. Baby Patrick Mahomes. 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10. Thanks for the, what's up, Frankie? Thanks for the heart me. That one slipped out. Marcos, hi, thank you. You think you could take the decibel meter right now? Ew, that's gross, Ray. I was joking. Oh, thanks. 10 out of 10. Here we go. Jack, hey, how are you, friend? Ever tried shotgunning a soda? No, I haven't. Where's your sister? I don't know. Am I supposed to know where she is like every fucking minute? She said she's an adult. I haven't tried shotgunning a soda. I bet that would suck. I bet that would suck. What soda if I could shotgun a soda, which soda should I shotgun? Wow. I couldn't believe I just said that without messing it up. A Sprite. Sprite challenge is hilarious. I got a new Sprite challenge on my YouTube channel. I missed something, but I'm not gonna go back. Yeah, I'm always burping. Yeah. Honestly, anyone you got. Oh man, I shotgun sodas, they hurt. That's what I'm thinking. That's gotta suck. Don't think I'll do that. Oh wait. I tried to shotgun a White Claw. I just remembered that. I wasn't successful in completing it 100%, but I tried really freaking hard. I'm so busy right now. Can't you see? I just do whatever I want. It's probably easier than a White Claw. Yeah, that's what I was just thinking. Like, since I did a White Claw, it's probably a soda might be easier. But I don't know. Do you think which one's probably more bubbly? Okay, I don't think zero sugar soda is very bubbly. But my favorite, you're currently live. Yay! Hey, Melissa. Why aren't you live ever? Dude, I got shit to do. Speed Songs was right. I'm busy as something. I know, right? I might as well try it. I don't know what that means. Burps are hot. Burps are funny to me. So, I was watching, never mind, I'm not gonna say. But there was these girls on there and they're burping, and I was like, I can burp louder than them. And they were like, you're a liar, and I'm like, okay. When are you taking your show on the road? Oh baby, I've been on the road, okay? I'm on a Burp World Tour 2024. We're just gonna have to wait to see. Did someone recognize you? I've been recognized once. No, well, okay, I'll say twice. Not here though. But oh yeah, Jack, I don't remember where you live. I passed through. Do you ever say I rarely say excuse me. Rarely. Was it just random girls on TikTok that recognized me? At 24 through Marcos! Yay! Thank you. And you're the title gifter. You have purple roses now. Oh no, nobody said that. Nobody said that. I was just like, I was in this chat thing. Farted on live? Yes. And then I put it on TikTok. But it really wasn't like anything crazy. I wasn't like, you know, bending over in front of the camera, ripping it or anything like that. It was just chilling here like I am now, and it happened, and I was like, oh, thank you so much for the 100 roses. Can you burp my name? It is Jacob. I can totally burp your name, Jacob. Farts are hilarious. Jacob. I didn't feel like doing it like really loud. I'm still healing. My nose is still kind of healing, but it's not stopping me from burping. I'd like to be the opening act. We could do like a duo. You want to do a duo? A duet? That's funny. I think I perform better solo though, honestly. So I'm like a Justin Timberlake or like a Beyonce. No, I am not. You can burp for 8 seconds. Sure, dude. Yay! Thank you. The Beyonce of burps. Yes. Did you get 4 yeses on AGT? On AGT? I don't know if I've been on that show yet or not. There's been so many, I can't remember. Britain's Got Talent? I got 3 yeses on Britain's Got Talent. Have I ever collabed with other burpers? Yeah, but like not on like any other site, just like doing this on TikTok and then I put it on YouTube. Oh, I'm glad you asked, Frankie. You can click on my profile picture right there, and the entire performance is pinned on the top of my page. You can find out for yourself. Yes, I know Essence. She's great. She is cute, funny, and we love her. Do you or your sister burp louder? Yeah, I know. Sometimes she burp louder. Sometimes I burp louder. I don't know. It's just like a back and forth thing. But we both can burp really loud. I actually told her to do the record and she was like, no, I don't want that shit. And I was like, okay, fuck. Step aside, bitch. I'm coming through. My guys contests. I've never had a contest with a guy. Are you just talking about like on TikTok and someone will start burping or something? Or, oh, well, I guess I kind of did one in London when I did that video for Guinness. And the guy was burping at me. And we burped the ABCs together in the streets of London. 2 years been asking you to smoke 1 cigarette. Jaden, it's gonna be another couple years. You can keep asking me and I'll never do that. Think they mean you and your sis contest. Yeah, we used to do that a lot. What's your record? I'm the loudest burper in the world. Female. I think I could break the male record, which is 112. I think I could do it. No, I don't FaceTime. Ew, it's so cringe. Ugh. 140 on Cash App. Okay, right away. No, how about $140,000 you can pay to FaceTime me? I don't need $140. I don't need anything. Wait, no, I have to hear this. You have to hear what? Well, just go to my page and listen. No, that was nothing. That was nothing. I love burping in public. I love burping in public too. Damn, not nice to me. Bro, I don't FaceTime at all. And not for any money in the world. So. Oh God, it's Mitch. Is that Paul Heyman? What do you mean by that? Because you're annoying. That's what I mean by that. No, not your pick, Garth. But I did do I did do a Steve Austin video on my TikTok page. You should go watch it. Actually, maybe you have. Yay, keep making fun of me. No, because I'm gonna get banned. I did. Go watch it. Go watch it right now. It's really good. It's near the top. You'll see it. You'll know it. Yeah, you out of the loop. I haven't been around in a while. Give me whiskers. You want to be a cat? You want to be a kitty cat? That's shit my 3-year-old wants to do. What's your world record? I'm the women's loudest burper in the world. I can burp louder than a motorcycle. Can I be your kitty cat? No. Gross. I'm allergic. Boom! Oh my God, that's my favorite line. No, I'm allergic. Do it. Order a Cameo. A record broke on the best radio show. Hey, what's up? Yeah. Love Elliot in the morning. Hey, JD, what's up? Thanks for saying hi. He burps louder and longer. Amazing. Thank you, Garth. We love Ruda Vibe. I'll be in Italy at that festival one day. Bet your ass and titties. Write your name on my forehead. Nah. Man, this reminds me why I hate going live. I'm telling you, Jack. Everyone's like, where you been? Because people are just so annoying. Like, it's so annoying. And then you have to say the same things, like, over and over again. And it's just, it's not me. Like, some days it is, maybe. But then some days it's not. And I'm just like, ugh. I could never be a streamer. I could literally never do it. 11 seconds incredible. For what? 11 seconds for what? That was cool. Cut a promo on me. He said no. Is that what people say? My burps have gotten quiet and short. Hey, Raw. It's not as bad when I'm... Oh, it disappeared. Shadow attack now. What the what do you keep talking about? Oh, because when you're gaming, yeah, you're probably a little distracted, so that makes sense. I'm good. How are you? Kimmy's other talent, whistling. Mitch. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Yeah, I could like roast you on Cameo. That's an option. Roast someone on Cameo. That's an option. So, what do I get. I don't even remember my price. Can't wait to raise it though. Shit. Ugh. I actually have a cameo that I need to make. I'll make it today. Diddy 534 attack. You're annoying. I don't even understand. Anyone else want some before I go? Yeah, I think so. He's playing something in the chat alone. Let's play the drawing games. Anyone want to play? I know Mitch wants to play. No, I don't really feel like playing. You should get Shuey to join you with the cameo roast of Mitch. He works solo, and so do I. Gotta hit the road. Thanks, Jack. It was so good, like, seeing you again. I hope all is well. Have a good weekend. Can you burp my name? What's your name? Depends on what your name is. I don't burp certain names. Thank you for my roses. Toby! What's up? Nathan. Okay, I'll burp Nathan. I'll settle for a big belch. Been too long since I heard one. I got you. What's up, Toby? Thank you for my flowers. Toby, you don't have to do that. You don't have to send me sneaky gnomes. What are you doing today, Toby? I miss you too. I love your TikToks. They're so peaceful. So I have to burp Nathan. I think that was it. Are you working today? How's dippers? How's dips? Dippity dip. Still waiting on Marvin? No! What's wrong with Marvin? Is that why we're not getting any TikToks? I guess we're also getting TikToks. Nathan! Just since I'm Canadian doesn't mean I'm Drake. I heard Drake's a jerk, so I think it's good not to be Drake. Jeez. We don't do the tongue out burps. Thank you, Ra. Bubble Drake. Baby L Drake. Can you say my name? Justin. How do you go on AGT though? I know. I guess we'll just have to wait and see what the future holds. He's like, yep, I got it. Thanks. Sure, Justin, I got you. Justin. I think on Cameo you can. I'll check with Shoe Nice, but because he's like the roast master on Cameo, but I think you can say almost anything on Cameo. Thank you for the roses. My nose is starting to hurt again. That's so weird. Justin. Oh my gosh. Burp. My mouth mouth closed. I burp, my mouth closed. Thank you for the roses again. Burp my name. Everyone loves it when I burp their name. They're like, me next, me next. Brendan. It's freaking raining again. No, that's a good thing, but it's just like, it's either hot or it's raining. Any contest stories? I don't know, but like I was saying like a couple minutes ago, I did that video with Guinness World Records where I was like interviewing people in the streets of London, and one of the guys that I was talking to actually started burping, and we did the ABCs together, so it was kind of funny. You guys should go check that out if you haven't. Just 2 sips of water. Have you heard of Chris Benoit? Yes, I know Chris Benoit. Rest in peace, Chris Benoit. I love those, I love the documentaries on him, though. All the people saying, like, really nice things about him and everything. Like, I really love that. Okay, you are the best. Rest in peace, Benoit, yes. Also, rest in peace, Bray Wyatt. I'm gonna put him over here, but because he's kind of in the way. But yeah, rest in peace, Bray Wyatt. Didn't love the burp. Okay, well, this is burp talk. Hashtag burp talk. I know, too soon. Oh my god, too soon. 36 years old. I'm 34. That's crazy. Hey, Kevin. How are you? Okay, we're just gonna, you're like too close. So I'm just gonna put you back over here. But also, he has my hat on. What Bo Dallas is doing right now, though? Yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's see what happens. I'm kind of like tired of, I just want to see some action, you know. I'm just like, what's gonna happen? And is there gonna be a 6th member? I know. I'm tired of the videos. Like, honestly, I'm tired of the VHS tapes. And it was just, but whatever they're doing, they're gonna be working on it behind the scenes. They're gonna do some cool shit. I know it. So let's just wait. Let's just see. What's the difference between your burps and Juliana's burps? I say the difference between Juliana's burps is that she does like that. No power tools. I don't know what the fuck that was. Yes, thank you, Mike. You almost made me say it. You almost got me. Juliana does that like inhale method very, very well, and I don't do that method very well. I'm kind of like a slow build up. My on command aren't that good as hers. So I guess that's the difference between Juliana and me. You tell me. I named my dog Estelle. Did I say that right? Thank you again. Oh my god. Thank you, Garth. What kind of dog is it? Is that Conway Twitty? Is that Conway Twitty? No power tools, Dale. Did I see your question? That's what I'm saying. Where is your question? You're pretty tall, like 5'8". I'm like 5'9". Like in between 5'9" and 5'10". And I'm on the softball team for TikTok. Corporate. Hello, darling. Yeah, I'm freaking tall as fuck, bro. I just have long legs. Let's wrestle? No, thanks. I have like pretty long legs. Thank you, Marcos, for all the gifts. You guys are crushing in the gifts today. And Garth's number one. Did you see my Stone Cold Steve Austin TikTok? Okay, hold up. Bray Wyatt. This cardboard cutout is 6 feet. 6 feet tall. I'm pretty much there. And it's not like, I mean, it's as straight up as it can be, but it's kind of leaning a little back because it's got the thing that makes it lean back. So you're taller than me? Okay. We're learning. I don't know. Thank you, thank you. I feel like I missed like a question or something. Thanks, guys. I think I'm probably gonna hop off here soon. There's some things I want to watch. I have really long legs though, so my sister's way shorter than me. I don't know. I don't know exactly, maybe like 5'6" or 5'5". Best WWE finisher besides RKO. What is that? Dude, the Twisted Bliss is pretty sick. That's pretty hot. Sweet chin music? No. That's too old for me. I love sweet chin music though. We're jamming out upstairs. I'm missing out on the jam sesh. Just hit me. It just hit me. Alexa Bliss is going to come back. She could be the sixth member of the Wyatt Six, but that doesn't really fit the vibe that they're going with. The we've been forgotten about and blah blah blah. But she was like in it. I don't think she should be in it anymore, but she was partnered with Nikki Cross, who is in it. And I'm just talking to myself at this point, I think, because I don't think anyone here knows what they're about. Actually, no. Garth's a wrestling fan. Garth, are you up to date on the wrestling? I'm gonna miss SummerSlam. I'm gonna miss SummerSlam. Yeah, you're a wrestling fan. Do you watch it these days? Like right now? Because Alexa Bliss used to tag team with Nikki Cross, and she's in the Wyatt Six. So I was just thinking maybe she could be the sixth member. Yeah, because she had a baby. I know I'm gonna miss SummerSlam. Jordan Grace, though. Jordan Grace. Are you talking about NXT? The pageant girl? Oh, TNA. Okay. I acknowledge you. You mean you're talking about her or not? She's freaking funny. She's really good at acting. And her voice sounds like a Disney princess talking, like, and singing. Like, she's just so, she needs to fucking go do something else. She doesn't need to be wrestling. She needs to go do some acting or some voice acting or something. She's really good. Buy a Cameo, please. I think her name is Ariana Grace. Not Jordan Grace. But Jordan Grace, there might be a Jordan Grace. And I don't watch TNA, so... "30 seconds on here or on the Cameo, because I can make fun of you for like minutes." Gas Tank, what's up, dude? Where you at? Where you at now? How's the RV? What are you doing? Did you pimp it out yet? Or do you think that John Cena is going to retire? John Cena is not going to retire until next year. He's gonna do he's gonna wrestle some more. And then he will retire next year for sure. Crying face. Power steering pump being replaced. That one, like, made my throat tickle. Thank you, Gas Tank. I'm doing good. I am just chilling. Do you like UFC? I don't really fuck with UFC. I know. Where are you at? I'm trying to get monetized, baby. Oh, you had to start over? Shit. You can't stop commenting bad things. That's probably what it was. Shit. You should do UFC? Yeah, I should. I should do UFC. That's some shit there. Super Burp. I was at 6K. That sucks. I'm sorry. Everyone go help out my friend Gas Tank. Please cut a promo on me. Hiccup Queen. Thank you. Nah, for real. I didn't say anything on that account. I used to troll. Yeah. I just don't comment. I don't scroll very often. I just like, I'm so scared. I'd argue the hiccups are better than your burps. And some people would say my sneezes are better. Everyone's got something. Thanks for the follows. I'm gonna head out though. Are you a Rizzler? I'm a boomer. Because I don't know what... Am I rizzing you up? I have a second account, but yes, it did start out as a troll account, so, but now it's turned into something else. I don't have the hiccups right now. My burps have Rizz. Ooh. What is it now? Thank you. You take it easy too, bro. They're reviving Pimp My Ride on Netflix or something, or wherever. You should go tell them to pimp out your freaking RV, bro. You should apply to be on the show. Google it. Can you burp my name? I can burp everyone's name. You know how to move your ears? No, I've been asked that before. That would be an awesome thing for you. I bet you can give yourself hiccups easily. Maybe. Burp my name. Your name is inappropriate. There you go. Yeah. That is not your real name. That little character from South Park. Oh my god, that's so old school. What's up? Call me. Yes, we need to get married now since you know Kevin. Who's Kevin? Who's Kevin? Oh, that thing has a name? I thought it was just like the little assistant to the evil scientist. I know. I like, no, Kevin. I was like, I thought of you, but I was like, you guys don't know each other. So I was like, Kevin? I don't know a Kevin. The network cut out. What was the answer to the question I asked you? Bro, you gonna make me scroll? You gonna make me scroll back? I don't know what the question was. What's the longest video you'd accept to do on Cameo? I try to make them 2 minutes. Oh my gosh, though. I gotta get off of here. Oh god, I definitely gotta get out of here now. Baby Yoda's here. How are your burps? From the bottom. Do you accept hiccup request on Cameo? And the problem is, I don't know if I'm gonna get hiccups before your Cameo request expires. So that's like not possible. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. I despise Baby Yoda. Do you think it was 8 seconds? I don't think it was. I think it was like 5, 6. Well, you know, I can do other things too. Natural stuff, I guess. Yeah, whatever. Alright, guys, I am out of here. For reals. Thanks, Marcus, and everyone else that gifted. Kevin, I see you. Thank you. I like your bio. That's funny. Okay, bye everyone. No. Bottom burps. Sounds like, I probably shouldn't say it on here, but it sounds like something else. Hey, fart lover. Thanks, Kevin. Have a good day. Yeah, guys, I'm out of here. Have a good day, guys. See ya later.